Hi ladies and gentlemen, I'm back for another video, and guess what? It is Wine and Wigs Wednesday. Clank, 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 clank. This hair is good old Southern housewife Republican hair. This is what our Southern dolls look like. I don't know if you guys know, but in the South we have Trader Joe's, and on Saturdays they have $2 chuck. I'm sitting outside. I'm trying to get my $2 chuck for the rest of the weekend. This wine right here is the Charles Shaw wine. This one is a rosé. It's really good. It's only $3.99, girls. So go ahead and pick you up some. And it's organic. It has organic grapes in it, which beggars can't be choosers. But anyway, let's move along. This hair right here. Oh, look at this contour. Boom! Work. This hair is from Alipearl Hair.com. They also have an Amazon store as well as an Aliexpress store, and I'll go ahead and leave those stores down below. They sent me 3 bundles of this hair along with the frontal. So it came with 14, 16, and 18-inch bundles as well as a 10-inch frontal. Now, I'm going to say this right now. I wish they sent me a 12-inch frontal because there are 4 inches between the frontal and the last bundle. And girl, no ma'am. Other than that, I really love the hair. I think the color is perfection. The color in this hair is honey blonde. It has different tones of blonde in there, and that's why you're giving like this reflective look. Y'all see the science that I gave to y'all? So this hair was actually a little bit longer. I cut it up to about, I think this is about 16 inches or so. So let me show you what it looks like in the back. Y'all know I can't cut no damn hair. Okay, I just did a quick snip. So let me show you what the back looks like. So this frontal, this is what it looks like. I just glued it down with got to be glued. Ooh. It comes a little bit pre-plucked, but I think behind the hairline it can be plucked a little bit more. But honey, I didn't have time for that. She's a bit lazy when it comes to wigs. So once you have lighter hair, you don't have to bleach the knots. You don't have to really do anything. So I take full advantage of that. I'll show you guys what I did to make this unit, and then I'll be back.
We're going to start off by using a mesh dome cap, and we're going to sew down the frontal onto the wig. Now, I'm not going to go in depth with this. I'm just going to show you a gist of what I do, and I can show you some other videos that I actually do this on. I'll leave those links down below. So we're just going to sew down the tracks as well. Ideally, you wouldn't use black thread, but that's all I had, girl. So I wasn't going to waste my time trying to find a different color. I'm also going to use this $15 blow dryer. I'll leave a link for this down below. I love this thing. It's not fantastic, but it's just a one-stop shop. We're going to use a heat protectant. It's the first time using it, but I'll leave a link to that one down below as well. And I'm just going to blow dry the hair out a little bit just to get rid of some of the waves in it to make it easier to curl. So now we're just going to curl this hair away from the face to give it that nice, beautiful, like, I don't know, like mom curl. Just curl it away from the face, and I did that on both sides. As you can see, that frontal is pretty short, but we'll work it out a little bit later. I'm also going to tint the lace with the L'Oreal Root Touch Up and chop off that extra frontal piece on the front. The great thing about this frontal is that I didn't really have to do anything else to it, pluck it or anything. I just cut it, and we're just going to plop it on our head. But first we're going to do the got to be glued method like I always do, and I'm just going to blow dry the area until it's tacky. And we're just going to simply place the wig down. I didn't use the comb this time, and you'll see how it wasn't all the way melted, but that's fine. I used some head wraps, and I left those on my head for about 25 minutes. And you can see it turned out really cute, but I didn't like the middle part. So I'm just going to redirect the hair and make it a side part. And chop off those ends so it looks really cute and even. What do you think?
So now that we're back, you can see exactly what I did to make this nice Southern housewife hairstyle. I think Alipearl did a great job with this hair color. I really haven't seen it anywhere else. So run and pick it up. I'll leave all the links down below. In my last video, I mentioned this watch here. This watch is from Yode. Now I'll go ahead and leave a link to the giveaway for these watches below. Yeah, I think that's basically it. Thank you so much for coming by. I will see y'all next week. I love you guys, and I will see you on Saturday for Synthetic Saturdays. Love you. Bye.